Hey guys, I'm back with another cooking video today. Today I'll be making a vegan mock Chinese style minced pork. I'll be using tofu with it. Here are the ingredients we'll be using today. Let's see, I have two 1 pound blocks of extra firm tofu, well, just firm tofu. Some, let's get all focus, fermented black bean sauce, cornstarch, kosher salt, dry black fungus that's been soaking in hot water for about 10 minutes now. I found some ends of green onions, which I'm just going to reuse. Garlic cloves, 1 onion, sesame oil, maple syrup, dark soy, and light soy. Alright, and we'll get everything together. Alright, so we're going to start off with mincing our garlic and actually prepping all for aromatics. So here I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have a lot of garlic here, but it's going to make a couple tablespoons of garlic. I want this to be quite garlicky. Alright, now we'll do our green onions. All I'm going to do is just cut off the ends. Alright, let's go thinly slice all this up. Slice up our onion now, or rather cut up our onion. You only use about half this onion. Alright, onto our ginger. Alright, just peel it. Bash it up a little bit. And we'll just cut it into rough chunks. Put that, and we'll just chop it up. Alright, there's our 25 grams of dried fungus that's been rehydrated. All I'm just going to do is roughly chop it up. You can get a whole black fungus too, it's not an issue. This just makes it a little less chopping I gotta do. That's why I got the strips. Alright, to make our sauce, I got another bowl here. I have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. There you go. 2 teaspoons of dark soy sauce. And then 2 teaspoons of maple syrup. Then 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Give that a quick mix, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so moving on to our tofu. Done is taken out of the package, drained it, and patted it dry. We're going to crumble this up. So all I got here is just potato masher and a bowl. We're going to crumble it to roughly a minced pork texture. Nothing crazy. Alright, that ought to do it. Alright, got some canola oil here, just a tablespoon or 2. We'll start off with our fungus. Stir fry that just for a few minutes. Alright, so in a few minutes now we'll add in our tofu. Put that down. About a teaspoon's worth right there. Go ahead and stir fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes or so it gets nice and cooked down. Alright, so time to put on our aromatics. Just for a few minutes here. Get nice and fragrant, and I'll throw in our sauce, and then this should be all done. We're also going to make some for the bok choy to go with this. Okay, so time for our sauce. Gonna pour it all, make a little roll in the center, pour it in there. Give it a nice stir. Also add a few tablespoons of rice, shushing wine to that too. Okay. Throw a bit of pepper as well over here.
And now we'll be preparing our bok choy. Right here I have a pot of boiling salted water and our washed bok choy. We'll just be blanching that for about 30 seconds.
Alright, so there's our bok choy all blanched. Now we'll get our sauce ready and we'll get stir frying. Alright, so we got our sauce right here. For the bok choy, I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, got a 1/4 cup of water, about 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and then as you can see right there, I have 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We're just gonna mix that all together, and then we're ready to stir fry. So we got our fermented black beans. We 2 large tablespoonfuls. There, nothing special about this. It's just stir fried. Yeah, just leave it right there. I have about 24 cloves of garlic here. We're just gonna roughly chop them up. Alright, so we're pretty much ready to stir fry. I have a couple of tablespoons of canola oil in here. We're gonna start off with some of our black beans, about half our garlic. Stir fry that until nice and fragrant. We'll add in our bok choy. Half our bok choy. Solid wash. For about 2 minutes, and then we'll add our sauce. Alright, we're gonna go well in the middle. Add our sauce. It's nice and stirred up. Get all the cornstarch off the bottom. We're gonna add about half. Just like that. Come to a boil for about 30 seconds or so. Get it nice and thick. There we go. Stir it on, and then we are done. our finished product. Our tofu mince, our bok choy, and on top of some jasmine rice. Alright guys, enjoy!